Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. I had quite a few people send in photos this time around. I did have a couple send, I think one late on Friday and one on Saturday that I did not include. I'll get them in the next one. I had already assembled this before I received those. If you're interested in sending in photos for this is the email address right here. Just include Subscriber Sunday or subscriber photos or whatever in the title of the email so that I can differentiate between your photos and other emails that I get. Thank you very much for that. Before that, I have a few photos and a little bit of video from my yard over the last week. And before that, I have some exciting news. A company called Plants by Mail has given us three $50 gift cards. A lot of people ask me about where to find a lot of the plants that I do videos on, and Plants by Mail actually has quite a few of them. I was on their website last night, and they have that white wedding hydrangea available right now from the Southern Living Plant Collection that I did a video on in the fall. It's a great plant. It really is a great plant. I took a picture of some evergreen Stelladora daylilies that I have on my driveway right now that need to go in the ground. They are on that list. I'll get a video done on those at some point. Video I have going up tomorrow is on some deciduous azaleas or flame azaleas, orange and yellow deciduous azaleas that are just beautiful. Those are actually available on there right now. And I'm putting up a video Tuesday on this orange rocket barberry right here. You may not be able to see. That is a really beautiful plant. And I saw that was available on the site. But they have all the Southern Living Plant Collection plants and the Encore Azaleas. And I probably just rotate through as availability allows, but quite a few of them. And they've given us three $50 gift certificates. I'm gonna do this exactly like I did the Corona giveaway for the pruners. And one pair will be given away on YouTube, one pair on Facebook, and one on Instagram. So this video is going up on both YouTube and Facebook. So on YouTube, subscribe to the channel and post a comment on this video. Doesn't matter what the comment is. It can just be hi, or your videos are great, or your videos are terrible, or whatever you want to say. It doesn't really matter at all. That will enter you in, and then at 2 weeks from now, when I do the Subscriber Sunday video again, I'll do the drawing for these three gift certificates. And I'll just pick from those comments with like I said, there's a tool called a random comment picker. If you haven't been following my channel, that's how I do that. The same video is going up on Facebook, and same thing, just make a comment on the video there and follow my Facebook page. And then also follow me on Instagram and find the photo that I'm putting up this morning that has the giveaway thing on it and the Plants by Mail logo on the top of it, and make a comment on that Instagram post, and you'll be entered 3 times to win. They only ship plants to the lower 48 states in the U.S., so it's only open to folks in the U.S. and the 48 contiguous states. I actually got some plants in from Plants by Mail once in the fall and once in the spring, and they're actually full-size plants. They take the whole plant, you know, a 2-gallon pot or a gallon pot or a 2.5 quart pot, and they wrap it in a plastic bag and send you the whole plant. So I was very impressed by that. So thanks very much to plantsbymail.com for giving us these gift certificates, and I will do the drawing, like I say, in 2 weeks. So here's the photos from my yard and the Subscriber Sunday photos. Thanks for watching.